Hello friends, I am Vinayak. Welcome to my channel Home Kitchen. Here you will get all the tasty and unique recipes. So please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified. Today I am going to make banana choco milkshake. Banana is almost always available at our home. So I have an idea of eating it in a tastier and relaxing way. For this, I have taken 2 bananas, 1 cup of chilled milk, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted chocolate and 2 tablespoons of grated chocolate. First of all, I have chopped the bananas and put it in a mixer jar. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar into it and then 1 tablespoon of melted chocolate into it. Then I am adding 8 to 10 tablespoons of milk into it and I have made a fine paste out of all these ingredients. Now I will add rest of the milk and again make a fine paste out of it. I have not put all the milk before. The reason behind is as the banana would form lumps and would not mix properly with a lot of milk. Now I will roughly decorate the glass walls from inside with melted chocolate with the help of the back of the spoon. Now I will pour the juice from the mixer into the glass and then I will add 4 to 5 ice cubes into it and pour the remaining juice into it. At last, I will garnish it with some grated chocolate on top and a slice of banana. It is now ready to drink. Try it out once and you will love it. Now I am going to prepare banana ice cream, which is very easy to make yet very refreshing in this hot summer and can be prepared with only 2 ingredients available at our home. For this I have taken some ripe bananas. From here I am using 2 bananas and peeling it off. I am taking 1 more banana. Total I am using 3 bananas. Then I will cut all the 3 of them into thin slices this way and spread them evenly into the plate. Now I will freeze it the deep freezer for 1 day. After 1 day, I will take it out from the freezer and put it into the mixer jar. Now I will add a little bit of water so that the bananas can be easily made into a paste. Now I will pour the banana paste into a bowl and again deep freeze it for 1 more day. After 1 day, I have taken it out from the freezer and I will scoop it and serve it into a bowl. At last, I am garnishing it with some tutti frutti so that it looks nice and also tastes awesome. My banana ice cream is completely ready and it is to be served chilled. It is one of the easiest ice cream recipe which I have shared with you and is also best for summers. So try it at least once this summer to give yourself a different taste. If you like this recipe, click on the like button, share it with all your friends and subscribe to my channel. Again I will meet you soon with some new recipes. Till then, bye bye.